Talk to me.
Welcome back. I am lachelletrends, and today's unit is from Amazon from the company Unice. Inside of the box was this bag. Inside of the bag was an elastic band, a wig cap, some lashes, and a makeup brush, as well as the wig itself. Again, this unit is from Amazon from the store Unice. This is their Body Wave Copper Brown 13x4 lace front human hair wig. It comes pre-plucked with baby hair. You can wear this glueless. It's 180% density and it is 20 inches. And I'm just showing you what the body wave looks like. Very pretty hair, and then the ends are good on this unit as well. This is what the hairline is giving. Again, it comes pre-plucked. It looks really good. You can go in and do some more plucking yourself, but it does look good out of the pack. This is the inside of the cap. Again, it's a 13x4 wig. It comes with two combs, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, and then it as well has the adjustable straps along with an elastic band, because again, you can wear this unit glueless if you would like. So I'll be starting off by tinting my lace with my lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown. I'm just going to spray that tint along the lace and then go ahead and put this unit on. Per usual, I'm not going to be wearing a wig cap. I have been doing this method for a little while now and I've been liking it. If you want to wear a wig cap, you can do so. I'm just choosing not to. But yeah, I'm just going to adjust this unit. I did struggle a little bit to put it on, but that was to be expected because it is a glueless unit, so you kind of expect it to fit a little snug. To glue this unit down, I'm using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. As well, y'all, I did not bleach the knots to this unit. Just from previous experience, bleaching the knots on colored units, it just doesn't take. Like, the bleach doesn't take, and it just be pointless and just a waste of my time. So I did not bleach the knots, but I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more. So now I'm just cutting my lace, and I'm going in and just doing like jagged cuts, just so it's not a straight across the forehead type deal, but you know how to cut a unit. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, just cutting this unit, y'all. The lace was so nice, super thin, and just easy to deal with if you get what I'm saying. But yeah. So now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just going to place some powder along the hairline just so we can make it blend a little bit more seamlessly with my skin. Then I'm going to go in with some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray, spray along the hairline one more time just to seal everything in, and again, just to have this lace melted in my skin. So before I begin styling the unit, I want to show you guys the parting space. Again, this is a 13 by 4 unit, and you probably have maybe 2 inches of lace on the side, so you can't really get a really good deep side part like I would like. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to curve it, so that's what I'm doing, just parting out my part. Then I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and place that wax along the parting space, then go in with my hot comb just so we can lay everything flat. So now that I got everything as flat as it can get, because baby, that hot comb does not get hot like I would like anyways, child. So I'm going in doing my baby hairs. I'm just gonna cut out just a little bit of hair, just because again, y'all, I've been going for like this minimal look lately, so I'm not trying to be drastic with the baby hairs. But yeah, I'm just gonna swoop them over with my Got To Be Glue Free Spray. Then I'm going to do the other side as well. So now I'm gonna go in and just tidy up the front and use my hot comb just to get everything looking real flat, looking real cute. So yeah, I'm just going in trying to flatten it some more, get it as flat as can be, and again, just looking cute. Then after I get it to my liking, I'm going to begin styling this unit. I'm gonna cut just a little bit into this unit, not too much of a layer, but just a little bit, just so we can have a little dimension going on. After I do that, I'm gonna begin styling the unit and adding some curls. I'm gonna use my Got To Be Glue Free Spray as a holding spray just to hold the curls, and just, yeah, I'm just gonna curl everything up. Now that everything is all curled up, I'm going to go in with some oil sheen, and this is just to add moisture and just to break apart the curls. You really don't need to. You can just break apart the curls with your hands with no oil sheen. I just want it to be dramatic. That's it. That's all. this is what the unit is giving. Really cute. The color is bomb. The lace melted in my skin. It looks really good. You can see it just a tad bit, but for the most part, it looks good, sis. The back of the hair is all curled. It's a little wavy because I didn't straighten it out and I did not co-wash this unit. But for the most part, again, y'all, it looks really good. The curls held to the T. Like Unice hair always has some really good hair, and the curls always hold. You can run your fingers through it. Minimal shedding, if not any at all. Again, the ends of the hair is good. Overall, a really good unit, sis. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.